Hi folks, Mike here. And welcome to my latest results video. Some of you might have seen me before, some of you may not. This might be your first time. If so, hi, and hi to all of you that have been here before. I like to do a video every Monday or Tuesday that just shows you the results I had from last week. Okay, so I run a solo ad campaign every week. It usually kicks off on a Tuesday and runs through to Wednesday, Thursday, and you get a few sort of trickling through over Thursday, Friday, even over the weekend. Okay, so I like to wait till the weekend's over, and then I'll do a video, as I say, on a Monday or a Tuesday that shows you the results. Now, how can I put this? Now, solo ads it's paid traffic. Okay. And I 100% believe that if you're just starting off in any kind of online business, then you absolutely need to be doing solo ads. You need to be getting some traffic quickly to your business, to your sales funnel, to your lead capture page, so you can actually start seeing some kind of results. Okay, that might not necessarily be sales, that might be just opt-ins, building your list. Okay, but I think absolutely 100% you need to be doing solo ads or some sort of paid traffic, so you can actually start seeing results today. Okay, not in 6 months time or in 6 weeks time or anything like that. Okay, so I'll just have a quick sip of my coffee. Okay, so you need to be doing solo ads just so you can start seeing results quick. Okay, fast. Okay, and while that's happening, because solo ads are more or less are as close to automated as you're ever going to get, while that's happening, then it gives you a little bit more time then to actually start learning how to generate organic traffic, how to do YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, LinkedIn marketing, all these social media kinds of marketing that's actually going to get you some free leads and some free business. Okay, 100% you've got to do some sort of paid traffic, and solo ads are by far the quickest way that you can actually do that. So let me just get rid of that there. Okay, I've got a software update, but I'll do that a little bit later. Okay, so last week I got roughly around about 100 opt-ins, so that's 100 extra new people into my list, and out of that I got 2 sales. One of them upgraded. Okay, and I'll show you, I'll walk you through these in a second. Okay, now 100 leads, every one of those at any moment can become a paid member. Okay, and if you position yourself correctly, and what I mean by position yourself, if you own all the products of whatever business you're in, if you're in at as high a level as you can possibly be, then any upgrades are going to come to you. You're going to get paid for those upgrades. How most businesses work, if you don't own a particular level and somebody below you that you bring into the business upgrades, then that commission is going to go upline. So in this instance, if you've joined me, okay, but you don't own the upper levels, or you haven't upgraded to diamond or platinum, then if any of your leads actually upgrade, then I'm going to get paid. And I'll come and shake your hand personally, but I'd rather the commission went to you. So, okay, so get in as high as you can, straight as fast as you can. Okay, do it at your own pace. I'm not putting any pressure on you, whatever. But these are my results anyway for last week. So I've got roughly about 100 opt-ins. So as I say, any one of those can sign in, join me at any given time, and become a paid member and pay me commissions. Okay. Now, what you want to be looking for, an email that says, "Mike, a new gold member has arrived." Yee! And let me just scroll down. Look, these are all my leads. Absolutely tons of them. I love this business. Okay, I absolutely love it. Okay, so here we have a gold member. So this gold member's come in, and they're staying on my pay line, and they're paying me $20 a month. Yippee! I know I can hear you say $20 a month. That's going to break the bank. But listen, if you can get 1 or 2, 3 of these a week, you're building a list and you're building a residual income, because that's a residual income. For as long as they stay a member, you're going to get paid $20 a month. But not only that, you also get 50% of whatever they earn. So if they go out and they promote the businesses, they do the same thing that you're doing, and start bringing in new members. Okay, so let's just say they earn $500 a month. Okay, then you're going to get $250. So if you've got 4 members that are earning $500 a month, that's $250 a month off each one of those. That's $1,000 a month for doing nothing. You've already done the work. You don't go do no more work for that one. Okay, and you're still building your list and bringing in new members yourself. So this can just, this is like, once you get the ball rolling on this, there's no stopping it. It's just phenomenal. Okay, so get all in, guys. Just get all in. Okay, then get to the training, get your funnel set up, get some traffic to your funnel. Okay, now this particular person that's actually come in and became a gold member or an affiliate, okay, has seen the benefit, understood the compensation plan, and has upgraded to diamond. Okay, now that pays me $100. Okay, so just from one customer, I've just made $120, and $20 residual, just keeps repeating that $20. So they paid me $100, and now I also get 25% of any of their diamond pay line. So any of their customers that come in that upgrade to the diamond level, whatever they make, even though they're not on my direct pay line, I haven't brought them in. Whatever they make, I get 25% of that as well. This is the business that just keeps giving. Okay, so that's just off one customer. It's just phenomenal. And if you can get 1, 2, 3 of those a week, just imagine how quickly this can escalate. Okay, so if I just scroll down, I'm just going to scroll right up here now. I've got to try and find, as I say, I did get 2 sales. I think 2 gold members come in last week. You'll have weeks when you don't get any sales. You'll have weeks when you get 1 sale, but then you might go 2 weeks with no sales, and then you get 6 sales in 1 week. It can happen like that. Okay, so it's just something that you need to be absolutely consistent with. It's no good doing a solo ad, paying for 100 or 200 clicks or 300 clicks, and they're not doing anything for another month. It's something that you really need to do. Find the level that you're comfortable at, okay, whether it's 50 clicks or 100 clicks, and you just keep doing that every week, okay, building your list. Don't worry about the income, because that will come. Just keep building your list, folks. Okay, so let me just scroll down here now, because I know I've got another gold member somewhere. Where are we? So just twiddle your thumbs while I'm doing this. Okay, where are you? I know you're here. Come on, here we go. Where are we? It's got to be here somewhere. Oh, can't find it again. I know it's right, because I've opened the email up, so it won't be in bold. I can't find it. I couldn't find this a few minutes ago, and then we had, fortuitously, maybe, we had a sudden, absolute downpour. We had a shower, a rain and hail shower like you wouldn't believe. Because I'm in the conservatory, I don't know if you can see the roof. It's like a plastic type roof. It was absolutely deafening. So I had to delete this video and start again. But now I can't find that gold member. But look, it doesn't matter. Where is he? Gold. You have a new lead, prospects. Where are you, gold man? Gold person. There we go. Another gold member's come in. Okay, this member has stayed on my pay line, paying me another $20 a month and a 50% matching bonus. Guys, just click the link below if you're watching this on YouTube or on Facebook. If you've got this in, if I've sent you this in an email, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is just phenomenal. You need to be in here, okay? Whatever business you're promoting, this will help you do that. So look, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Au revoir and goodbye.